Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can automatically translate your website or give the user the option to translate your website in different languages. So if you have people come to your website or to your online shop from different countries and with different languages, then it is really easy to serve them with their own language. And today I want to show you how we can implement this in our WordPress or WooCommerce website. So you don't have to manually translate the website. We can use the Google translating tool, or a plugin from Google that translates our website in real time. So this I want to show you today. So it is relatively simple. All we have to do is, this is my website here, the WordPress backend. So I will go now to plugins, add new plugins, or add new. And then I will, in the search bar here, I will search for translate. Okay, and now I want to have I want to install the first plugin, Gtranslate. This is, I think, one of the best plugins out there for the automatic translation. So I click on install now. And now it is installed. Then we click on activate. Okay, now the plugin is activated, and now we can see it here. Well, here, Gtranslate, perfect. So now we have to make a few settings here. We can click here on settings, or it is, I think, under settings. Yeah, under settings you can find Gtranslate as well. So let's click here on settings. And okay, perfect. Now we can set how our widget that we later on place on our website should look like. Here's the widget preview. I think this looks really good with the flag and the language code. And now we have to set our language in which we build our website. So in my case, is English is good. If you build your website in another language, then you can choose this here. But this is good for now, and we can leave this for now. You can you can set show in menu. So if you I think you have a menu on your website or on your store, then you can simply choose the menu in which this widget should appear. But we don't want this. We want to add it manually. This is okay. Everything is okay. Yeah, looks good. So you can set the style of the flag, 2D or 3D. So you can see it's a little bit more round, and okay, we can make this to 3D. Then we can choose the language in which we want to translate our website. So right now it's on Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, German, and French, and Italian, and some other languages. For this, I think it's okay. So if you want to have more language, just click the language you want to include, and then you are good to go. And here you can put in custom CSS, how your widget should look like. You can play around with CSS code. But we don't want this for now, so we just click on Save Changes. Okay, now all changes are saved, perfect. And then we will go to our website. And this is what the website looks right now. So I want to place the language widget on the right side here, on the top right corner. Then for this I will go to customize so that I can put the widget on the top right corner. I think almost any themes are the same. So, or yeah, you can do this in almost any theme, WordPress theme. So then hover over the header, then click the pencil icon, and then you can see what I have right now in my header section. So on the left side is the logo. Then I have the main menu, my cart, and my account. My little account button here, and now I click here on the white space, and then I choose widget because I want to add the new widget 1. Okay, then I click on the widget, and now I can add my widget. And now we are searching for the gTranslate widget. There it is, gTranslate, perfect. Okay, let's wait a second here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we can give it a title, but we don't want to. Then I click on Done, and then I click on Publish. And then I exit the customizer. Yeah, and this is everything you have to do to translate your website. So, and now if I go, now it's on English because the website is built in English. Now let's translate this in, for example, in Chinese. And there you have it. Everything, the whole website is translated into Chinese. This is not translated because I don't know, because it had something to do with the theme. But yeah, I cannot understand. I cannot read any word here. But yeah, it definitely worked. So everything, almost everything, is translated, and yeah, this is really cool if you want to have the website translated real quick without any hassle. So you can do this with this plugin, Italian, everything works. So you can see now it's all in Italian. And yeah, I think this plugin is really great. I use it often. So I think it's one of the easiest plugins, and the settings are really good. So there's nothing too complicated. You just have to choose the style of the widget and the main language, and then you can play around with the style, with the flex style, 3D, 2D. And yeah, you can even add it directly to a menu. Yeah, and you have a ton of languages to choose from. So when I, for example, click these languages here away, then I only have these 4 languages left. So let's check this, if this is working. Click on Save Changes. Perfect. Go back here, refresh the page, and yeah, now we have only the 4 languages we've selected, and I think it's really great. So yeah, that's it for the video. Now you know how you can translate your website. Okay, I think it's not really perfect because it's translated by the Google translating tool. So I think if a native speaking guy translates this, I think he can find 1 or 2 errors, but yeah, otherwise you have to create new websites and do the translation manually. And so I think this is a really easy way to translate this or to translate your website, so you don't have to spend hours or days or weeks creating new sites for each language. So for sure you will, a native speaker will find some issues or some errors, but I think for me it's okay, it's enough. And yeah, that's it for the video. So I will link this plugin. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for it. I will link it in the video description down below, so you can check it out and you can read the whole description, or download it or install it onto your WordPress website and play around with it. Maybe you like it, maybe not. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like the video, if you learned something new, then I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and maybe you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more videos about WordPress tips and tricks and WooCommerce and all the good stuff. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.